Hello everyone, in this video we're going to take a look how to view deformation for load sets in Ansys Mechanical. So here we have 3 load sets in SDC Verifier. What we're going to need to do is to export these load sets into solution combination Ansys Mechanical. So right click on load set node, then select export to solution combination option. Then let's select all 3 load sets, and SDC will ask you if you want to create total deformation plot for each exported combination. Let's proceed with yes. Let's go back to mechanical. Here we have all our 3 load sets exported into solution combinations. Next we're gonna solve them, and we will have result tab appear in our ribbon, and in the display section we will have option to pick level of deformation displayed, and by clicking different options you can preview your deformations on the load set. And by clicking different load sets, it will display deformation like for the picked option. Thanks for viewing.